Welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to build the ultimate gaming PC on a budget. We know many of you are eager to dive into the world of gaming without breaking the bank, so let's get started. The first step in building a budget gaming PC is to determine your needs and set a realistic budget. You need to strike a balance between performance and affordability. Remember, it's not just about the processor or graphics card. You have to consider the entire system. Once you've set your budget, it's time to choose the right components. Let's break it down. Processor: CPU. Look for a mid-range CPU from AMD or Intel that offers a good balance between performance and price. AMD Ryzen 5 or Intel Core i5 are great options. These CPUs have enough power to handle most games and multitasking. Graphics card, GPU. This is where your gaming performance shines. Look for a GPU that fits your budget but can handle the latest games. AMD Radeon RX 5600 XT or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super are fantastic choices. They offer excellent performance at a reasonable price. RAM. Aim for at least 16 GB of RAM. It's crucial for multitasking and running games smoothly. Look for DDR4 RAM with a speed of 3200 MHz or higher. You can find good deals on RAM kits with two 8 GB sticks. Storage. Invest in a solid-state drive, SSD, for faster boot times and game loading. You can opt for a smaller capacity SSD, for example 256 GB or 500 GB, for your operating system, and a larger hard disk drive, HDD, for mass storage. Consider brands like Samsung, Crucial, or Western Digital for reliable SSDs. Power supply unit, PSU. Ensure your PSU has enough wattage to handle your components and provides good efficiency. A 500W or 600W PSU should suffice for most mid-range gaming PCs. Motherboard. Look for a compatible motherboard that supports your CPU and has enough expansion slots for future upgrades. Consider factors like chipset, socket compatibility, and available features. Brands like MSI, Asus, and Gigabyte offer a variety of options. Case. Find a case that suits your preferences, has good airflow, and fits your chosen components. Look for features like cable management, dust filters, and adequate space for your components. Popular case brands include NZXT, Cooler Master, and Fractal Design. With your components list in hand, it's time to shop around for the best deals. Keep an eye out for sales, discounts, and combo deals to save some extra bucks. Once you have all your components, it's time to assemble the PC. If you're new to building PCs, don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Start by preparing your workspace, a clean, static-free surface with proper lighting. Ensure you have the necessary tools like a screwdriver. Install the CPU into the motherboard, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Consult the CPU and motherboard manuals for specific instructions. Add thermal paste if necessary. Mount the motherboard into the case, aligning the screw holes and securing it with screws. Connect all the necessary cables, such as power cables, front panel connectors, and data cables for storage devices. Insert your RAM sticks into the corresponding slots on the motherboard. Make sure they are firmly seated and locked into place. Install your storage devices, such as SSD and HDD, into the designated drive bays in the case. Connect the necessary SATA cables and power cables. Carefully install the graphics card into the PCIe slot on the motherboard. Make sure it is seated properly and secure it with the appropriate screws or retention mechanism. Connect the power cables from the PSU to the graphics card. Connect all the necessary cables from the PSU to the motherboard and components. Ensure all connections are secure and properly routed. Close up the case by securing it with the provided screws. Now that you have successfully assembled your gaming PC, it's time to set up the software and get ready for some gaming action. Install your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or a Linux distribution. Depending on the OS you've chosen, follow the installation prompts. Insert the installation media, DVD or USB drive, into your PC, boot from it, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the operating system. Make sure to select the appropriate options and partitions during the installation process. After installing the operating system, it's crucial to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card and other components. To do this, visit the manufacturer's website of each component, such as AMD or NVIDIA for your graphics card, Intel or AMD for your processor, and the motherboard manufacturer's website. Alternatively, you can use software like GeForce Experience for NVIDIA graphics cards or AMD Radeon software for AMD graphics cards to download and install the latest drivers. Installing up-to-date drivers ensures optimal performance, stability, and compatibility with the latest games. Install your favorite gaming platform to access a vast library of games. Download the platform installer and run it on your PC. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once you have your gaming platform installed, it's time to start downloading and installing your favorite games. Browse the platform's library, search for the games you want to play, and click on the Install button. The platform will automatically download and install the game on your PC. Depending on the game's size and your internet connection speed, it may take some time to download. Be patient during the process. Once the games are downloaded and installed, you can customize the settings according to your preferences. Customize the controls, audio settings, and any other options to optimize your gaming experience on your newly built budget gaming PC. And there you have it, folks. A budget-friendly, powerful gaming PC that will provide you with hours of gaming enjoyment. Building your own PC not only saves you money, but also gives you the freedom to customize and upgrade your system in the future. By carefully selecting components within your budget, you've built a PC that meets your gaming needs without breaking the bank. As technology advances and your gaming preferences evolve, you have the flexibility to upgrade individual components such as the CPU, graphics card, or RAM, allowing you to keep up with the latest games and advancements. Additionally, building your own PC gives you a sense of pride and accomplishment. You have gained valuable knowledge about the inner workings of a computer, which can come in handy for troubleshooting or future upgrades. Remember, building a gaming PC on a budget is all about making informed choices and finding the best value for your money. Take your time to research components, compare prices, and look for deals and discounts. With careful planning and smart shopping, you can create a gaming rig that delivers an incredible gaming experience without breaking your budget. So, get ready to immerse yourself in the world of gaming, explore new virtual realms, and enjoy the excitement of playing your favorite games on a system you built yourself. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to start building your own budget gaming PC, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips, PC building guides, and tech-related content. Also, be sure to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and any questions you may have. Happy gaming, and we'll see you in the next video.